You guys, before asking for any ladies hand in marriage, know these things first. Number one, get responsible. No parent will want to give their children to somebody who's not going to take care of as much as they used to take care of the girl. Know that one. You can't be ignoring all the jobs, all the works that is on this earth and keep saying that there's no job. Whereas there are other things that you can do. Even, I'll tell you for free, selling pure water is better than idle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that whoever strive hard to support his family and dependents will receive a blessing, will receive a reward which is equal to who fights for the cause of Allah. So please, let's strive hard and be responsible. Number two, be a man of your deen. Let your deen be at this peak. Even at this peak, let your deen be there. Because your relationship with your Lord self is shaking, let alone one of his creations. How are you going to handle one of his creations when the relationship with you and your Lord self they bend? Please, get your deen together. Number three, keep a good hygiene. Please, smell nice, dress well, look good. Because it is with your looks they will say that, okay, this boy is taking care of himself, he's going to take care of my daughter, he's going to take care of me. But if you are not dressing well, you are not looking nice, you do not even take care of yourself, how are you going to take care of somebody else? Number four, be a good listener. Be a good listener. Be more interested in whatever the opposite person has to say rather than just saying everything in your mind. You are not interested in what the next person is saying, you are just saying everything that comes to your mind. Please stop discussing about yourself alone. Hear whatever your opposite person want to talk about. If you are a lady, hear what your man wants to say. But as a man, you have to listen to your woman. Listen to her very well so that she's going to know, okay, he has my interest at heart. Please, let's do that. Number five, observe your tajud. Hey, tajud is important. You know when they say somebody has gotten a cheat code in life, you have gotten a cheat code, Allah has given you answer to the question that is going to ask you. That's what tajud is for. Tajud is not for anything rather than begging your God. You and your God like this, be together, ask him anything. He said, Adihuni, Astejib what? Astejib lakum. Ask me anything. Knock on my door, I'm going to open it. Knock on his door, he's one that said it. He said, knock on my door, I'm going to what? Open it. So let us and our God be like this. Please, it is in tajud you will get whatever you want in dunya and akhirah. So please, let us take that one too at heart. And I want to give you a tip before I go. Vow for a successful marriage. Let's say it together. Rabbana ablana min azwajina wa zuriyatina qurrata ayulina waja'alna lil muttaqina imama. Our Lord, bless us with spouses and offspring who will be the joy of our heart and make us model for the righteous. So guys, let us take these tips to heart and may Allah guide us, accept our du'as, and may He make us one of those that will enter Al-Jannah of Firdaus.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق